Hello YouTube and welcome to another unboxing and review here in our series JP Around Gadgets, and in this video we will be reviewing the i8 wireless mini keyboard and mouse that we shall be using with our home entertainment system. So stay tuned herein, just playing around. In our last video, we reviewed the Q+ Android TV box, and we've seen that the quality and performance is quite good for the price range that we got for. If you haven't seen that video, then please click the link in the description. Now, we've been using it for the past couple of days, and as expected, trying to do a search or anything that requires typing using the on-screen keyboard through the remote control that came with it was a bit frustrating after some time. Good thing that the ordinary keyboard and mouse that we use for our PC and laptop works with it. That's why we bought the i8 mini keyboard plus. We just got this in the mail, and hopefully this resolves the issues that we're having with our TV box so far. So let's get down to it. Okay, so we're now ready to unbox our keyboard and mouse mini. So the box is a bit damaged, but I'm supposing that this is only because of the handling of the courier. Okay, so the box is a bit damaged, and I'm guessing it's only because of the handling of the courier. So we can see from the box that we can use this with our Android TV box. It also works with PC, smart TVs, and even Xbox and PS3s. Now we don't have those, so not a problem. Let's open up this box. Nothing else there. Okay, so we have a micro USB cable, and that goes through the charging port we have there. So this is rechargeable, and there's a power button. Okay, we have this trackpad, and the images say one finger to left click tap, two fingers to swipe up or down. I don't see any pinch or zoom here, but there's a three finger to right click. But I know for a fact that double clicking it would also give us the right click. So we have some volume controls. Next, play button. You have the up, down, left, right, and an OK or select button. There's a search button, a home button, a browser button, email, mute, and of course you have the full QWERTY keyboard. We also have a left click and right click here, and whatnot. We have function keys and a function. Okay, let's check out what it comes with. Okay, so this is a Li-ion battery that makes it rechargeable. I'm seeing that there's supposed to be provision for using a AAA battery here, but there's no spring, so I suppose they took it out in favor of this rechargeable battery. And this is the RF receiver. So this is not Bluetooth, guys. I actually prefer this than Bluetooth because of the power consumption that the Bluetooth may require. And although this may not cover as longer range as a Bluetooth, but it's quite nice. But we'll not be watching our TV about 10 feet away or anything like that anyways. So let's try it out. We'll plug it in into one of the USB ports of our Q+ Android TV box, and let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have our Q+ TV box set up, and of course because of the screen you may not be able to see clearly what we have on TV, but I'll plug this in to one of the other USB ports in our TV box because we're already using the other one for our mouse. Okay, it's on, and we'll check. There you go. Can you see it? Can you see it? The mouse is moving, my friends. It's right now above this video button here, or this video shortcut. Okay, cool. Okay, the keys also work for the navigation. There you go. Okay, button seems to work fine. Let's try the volume buttons. Wow, okay, cool. Okay, so I suppose this works great by itself already, but if you happen to be watching your TV box when the lights are off, you can actually press the function key and the F2, alright, and that allows you to turn the backlight on. Initially it would be green. There's three primary colors for this one. You have the green, you have the blue, and you have the red and the off button. But just in case you're not satisfied with the three primary colors that initially it would offer you, what you want to do is press the function key, then slide over the trackpad, and this gives you other colors as well. Yes? Alright. But what if you love all the colors and you don't want it to be fixed into any one color at one time? There is actually a secret mode here. All you have to do is press and hold the F2 key and then slide across the lower part of the keypad. Remember that you have to use the lower portion because the upper portion would have it automatically trigger the mouse pointer. So let's turn it on. Press and hold the F2 key and slide over, and you should see that it should now cycle through different colors. It's blue and then it turns into green and should turn to what's next after green, blue, white, and so on and so forth. So that's a pretty neat cool function. Honestly, I'm satisfied with it having turned off, not unless I'm really in the dark, then maybe I turn it on during that time, and so on and so forth. All right, so what I want to do next is to check all the function keys because there are some shortcuts. The F1 key kind of like says that there's an RF here as well, so I suppose well, the text is blue, so I suppose to activate that we have to press the function key. Pressing F1 kind of like refreshes the connection with the RF receiver. There's a print screen in F7, so that should allow me to take a screenshot. Yes, it does, and maybe I could share it through my social media using the app I installed. Function F8 turns off the keypad so you don't accidentally click or maybe move the mouse. Yep. Function F9 turns F9 into F11, and function F10 turns F10 into F12. Pretty neat. Page up has a home in it, and page down has end and enter. If you press function with it, it goes through Control Alt Delete. So I'm supposing some of these functions are specifically if you're using the i8 wireless mini keyboard with your PC or laptop. Okay, so we should now test the QWERTY keyboard. We haven't tested that yet. Let's proceed to our YouTube app and do a search. Okay, 4K video. It works! It works, guys! That's awesome! It's awesome! Okay, let's play the same video that we did when we were doing the testing for our Q Plus Android TV box. Awesome, right? And my screen is not even LED, guys, but see how clear the picture is. But again, if you want to see our review for the Q Plus Android TV box that we bought, there's a link in the description. And that is it for our review of the i8 Wireless Mini Keyboard Plus. What do you think about this, guys? Let me know in the comment. I suppose this is a cheap imitation of the Re8 brand, but it works, and it's the amount of money that I'm willing to pay for this remote, because I think I'll only be using this for my Android TV box anyways. It also works with a laptop. I tried it. I'm not gonna make a video for that anymore because what the hell, it's a laptop. It already has his keyboard, right? So if you'd like to know where I bought this in Lazada, I'll also show you a link in the description for the price that I paid for it. And hopefully you can also buy one of your own if you also have an Android TV box and you just had enough with the remote control that came with it. So that's another review that we have here in our JP Around Gadgets series. Thank you for watching, guys, and if you haven't done yet, please subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon so that you will be notified every time I post another video. Thank you all for watching. I hope you support my channel and hope to see you back here soon. This is JP and thank you for watching. Just playing around. See ya.